In this video, let's talk about Bloom, new updates and listing. This is one of the play to earn game that look very promising with a lot of partnership already and more coming. So buckle up guys and let's dive deep into Bloom and many more things about this very play to earn game. If you are new to this very channel, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Before I dive deep into this very important update, if you have not started mining Bloom, I will leave a link in the description of this very video. That will be the first link. Check it out and join right now and start mining. And you can also invite your friends. Bloom is not just another crypto project. It is a game changer and is about to flip the crypto game on its head. And this is very important. Bloom is coming up with a hybrid exchange. That is the most important thing right here. Merging the best of both worlds. That means the centralized exchange and the decentralized exchange. So the main focus for Bloom is to merge and synergize these two exchanges, SEX and DEX, which is centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. And I am talking about seamless trading experience that beats the tide. That is what Bloom is all about. Some person think it is just another play to earn. You just tap and they list the coin on exchange and that's all. No, it's far way more than that, and that is what you need to understand so that you can take your gaming very seriously. But here is where it gets very interesting. Bloom gets a Telegram mini app if you don't know that, and this lets you earn while you play, complete transaction, wrap up those coins and keep mining. Okay, every day ensure you log into your Telegram mini app and check and claim those sweet coins now. And all these things will be converted into real tradable token on top exchanges. And this is very important. Here is the deal, guys. From recent information, Bloom token sales is dropping on the 1st of October 2024. That is just very few days from now. Here is where it gets much more interesting. The Bloom team is not just messing up with anything. They are keeping everything legit, clean and fair. What that means is the Bloom airdrop is one of the most talked about right now after Amstar Combat, and there is no exact listing date yet. That is what you need to pay attention to, and things are buzzing up and everyone is full of anticipation and full of expectation. Here is another big deal. Early birds are also seeing the growth in the Bloom ecosystem and taking their tapping and mining very seriously, because this token will do very well in the market at listing. The Bloom team is ensuring that the Bloom ecosystem is not all about trading, but to gamify the whole stuff, bridging the gap between SEX and DEX. And this is very important. So we are talking about a tap to earn model that helps you stack those sweet tokens and just by interacting with the platform on the Telegram mini app. So looking ahead and looking into deep analysis and the Bloom ecosystem, Bloom team have big plans. That is what I have personally observed. And they are also looking at listing on major exchanges like Binance and Bybit, but these have not been verified yet. And I will be updating you as well if that come to play in the near future. Now, Bloom is cooking up more GameFi features, including the meme pad, because almost everyone loves crypto meme, and integration with additional blockchain, which is also very important. So these are some cool things that we need to pay attention to right now. So looking at Bloom innovative features and all those cool stuff already in the ecosystem, and this team are still developing and building, the Bloom price is going to be definitely big. And I am very sure of this, even though it's not as big as everyone is expecting, but they're going to try their best to ensure that they give the participants in this very airdrop a fair listing price. And this will definitely pump all the way to the upside, especially in the heat of the bull market this very moment, because we are already in the bull market, and in 2025 the Bloom token is going to do very well in the heat of the bull market. And that is why you should not dull on this very airdrop. Take it very seriously, and like I always say, you should do it at your leisure, but take it very, very seriously. Anything can happen in the crypto ecosystem. This little airdrop, Bloom, or any other one can make you super rich. Okay, so based on the current crypto climate, the listing price of Bloom will be amazing. That is what I know for sure. But right now, no announcement concerning this have been made by the team, and this is what we also need to pay attention to. So the best thing to do right now is stack more Bloom, keep mining. This will be very, very great, and keep everything legit, guys. Don't try to cheat the system and earn more token. The Bloom token will do very well while we await listing on major exchanges very, very soon. So if you have not started mining Bloom yet, like I said earlier, check the link in the description of this very video right now. That will be the first link. Join and start mining. And one more thing, please know that the crypto market is a very volatile market, and you need to take things gradually based on your own research. This video is just for educational purpose, so please take it very, very seriously, but do things at your own pace and at your own risks. If you like content like this, please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.